Hey, Eric Sider here from Planting Pioneers, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own calcium powder from eggshells. Let's get into it. Alright, so first step is we're going to boil our eggshells, so make sure you get them in a pot, cover them with water, and that's going to be 10 minutes and a good rolling boil. And you want to make sure you get your eggshells from as healthy a source as possible, because the better the chickens, the better the eggshells. So we're going to go ahead and drain off the boiling water. And once they're cool, and you can lay them out on a baking pan. And you want to make sure that these dry completely so they can sit overnight. And then you can finish them in the oven, or you can do a couple rounds. So 200 degrees, about 10 minutes usually is enough to dry them out completely. I wouldn't go above 200 degrees because you can start to burn them. So when you take those out and let them cool off. And once they're cool, you start crushing them up. And you can use a blender. I prefer a coffee grinder, just a simple one that only gets used for this purpose really. Get a good grind, make sure you get it a really nice fine powder. See here, it's almost flour-like, or like a really very fine. Like I was saying, you can use a blender, but I find that the eggshell material itself kind of almost has like a sandblasting effect on the side of the, particularly if it's a plastic blender, so that's why I just go with the coffee grinder. You'd have to use it a few more rounds of grinding, but there you go. Alright guys, so just super quick, just wanted to show you how I utilize the calcium powder. So I just add it to my worm farm every few days. Sprinkle it in like so. And then the worms, they don't actually consume it, they kind of use it as grit to grind up their food, but it will get passed through and distributed into the worm castings, and then the worm castings get added to the plants and the veggies, and then we consume that and let biology distribute the calcium that way. It's just one way you can do it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video on how to make your own calcium powder from eggshells. I will link to some studies and some articles below if you're interested in how you can use it for human consumption. And if you haven't checked out our patio garden tour or the natural fish pond on a patio, please check them out. What you can do on a tiny space and how you can have a natural fish pond, no pumps, no filters. It's pretty awesome, pretty easy. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and if you're getting something out of these, consider subscribing, share with your friends, spread the love. We really appreciate it. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.